Hello everyone, welcome again. First I make my eyebrow gently hand. And then I contour my nose as usual. Brand name is Christine. And then I put the transparent tape on my eyes. Next I take this eyeliner gel and I make eyeliner on my eyes. After the make eyeliner I take this brown eyeshadow. I applied this eyeshadow on my outer corner and blend it very well because I make crease line and then I cut it this crease line. And then I apply another eyeshadow on my mid eyes. Next I take my second color, this as you can see. Color is orange. I apply this color on my crease line. And blend it very well. I blend this color on my both eyes in circular motion. My third color is yellow and I take this yellow eyeshadow. And then I had this yellow eyeshadow on my both eyes. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. And in this video which one color I apply first on my crease line? Write the comment below. I blend this all eyeshadow on my eyes, blend. And then I blend my eyeliner. Meanwhile, I apply some yellow eyeshadow, smudge very well. Next I make a cut crease very gently. Next I apply this yellow eyeshadow on my mid-eye. If you are still my watching videos, go to my channel and subscribe my channel. And then I apply all eyeshadows on my outer corner and blend it very well. Next I make a eyeliner, very simple. Look at this eyeliner is ready easy because I apply tap on my eyes. And then I apply all colors on my lower lash. My eyes makeup is done. I love this eyes makeup because so easy. If you like my videos, subscribe my channel and also you visit my social media accounts. His link is my description box. Bye bye.